Meaning of hardy.
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 Hardy. Hardy is an adjective that describes someone or something that is tough, resilient, and able to withstand difficult conditions. It can refer to physical toughness, mental fortitude, or durability in the face of adversity. For example, a hardy plant can survive extreme temperatures or harsh growing conditions, while a hardy person may have a rugged and robust physique, or possess a resilient and determined spirit. Overall, the term hardy connotes a sense of strength, endurance, and toughness that allows a living being or object to persist and thrive under challenging circumstances.